Hi everyone, it's Winsome and I'm back again with another origami video. Today we'll be making the Catamaran flower, and this looked like a really cute floral origami which I haven't done in a very long time, so yeah, that's the reason why I picked it. And like usual, unlike the last one because I didn't have a previous paper to use, but I'll be using this, which has a nice pattern for this origami. And what we're going to do as first is we're going to fold it in half both ways, and then we're going to cut this into fours. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to cut this up. Okay, so as you can see, I now have one of the squares, and by the way, keep the rest of the squares because you're gonna need them. I'm gonna zoom my camera in a bit because it's quite small. I think this is enough. If it's a bit wobbly, it's fine, don't worry, mine are always wobbly. And what you're going to do next is we're gonna make a pig base out of this, and I'm gonna show it in the video rather than making you go watch another one. And what you're gonna do first is fold it in half as best as you can. Obviously mine's a bit wonky the top, but yeah, fold it in half best as you can, and then fold both sides to the center like so. And by the way, if you didn't have to use small squares, you could have used like a whole piece of square origami paper and like use 4 sheets, but if you only want to use 1 sheet, then fair enough, just cut it into 4 like I have. Then afterwards fold it in half, press down, and then unfold it and fold either side to the center. And making sure to crease it all properly. Then you're going to unfold it, and what you're going to do is you're going to squash the corners down. So following the crease, you're going to then push it down. And why is this harder than it should be? Okay, like so. And then repeat on all the corners, just fold them down following the crease. Cool, and then once you've done that, you're just going to fold these corners back. So yeah, fold the center flaps to the outside, and then all you're going to do is flip it in half like so. And yeah, fold it down, and then this is one pig base. And then what you're going to need is you're gonna have to at least make one more. And putting this to one side right now. So now with each pig base, what you're going to do is grab it like this and then mountain fold. So what you're going to do is fold these sides back like so, press down, and then all you're going to do is fold it in half like this. Try not to do it as messy as I do. And then all you're going to do is repeat the same. So like I said, oh gosh, I made this harder than it should be. Actually no, I've done it with this one, I was prepared. So once you've got 2 of these, you're gonna grab your scissors again and cut the bottom of one, and then the top of the other one. And I think you can guess from here what you're going to do. You're going to slot one into the other in hopefully a more neat fashion than I am doing right now. I think I cut it sort of deep enough. Yeah, it'll be fine. And then, as you can guess from here, you're going to open them all out. So what I tend to do is, because there's some fold here, just push each one back one at a time. And yeah, just try and make it neat as the one closes as you try to open the others. And it's all the problem. So long. And yeah, it's almost finished. So hard to get them all to open out at once without closing the other. And yeah, so that is it. That is how to make your own flower in just a couple of easy steps. And obviously I had the two others left over, so I made another one. And yeah, that is all to make the catamaran flower. So as usual, guys, write a comment down below to tell me whether you liked it or not. I don't know. Like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.